Now we are talking about the atypical Parkinson syndrome. There also name for this disease is Parkinson plus syndrome. The, this is the clinical syndrome of Parkinsonism with bradykinesia, with bradykinesia, rigidity, reflect dysfunction of the extrapyramidal circuit, reflects dysfunction of extrapyramidal circuit or circularity, particularly the dopaminergic nigrostriatal projection, particularly in the dopaminergic nigrostriatal projection. This is the problem in the dopaminergic nigrostriatal projection, but this is associated with the progressive supranuclear palsy and corticobasal degeneration, associated with the progressive supranuclear palsy. In the progressive supranuclear palsy, they commonly develop truncal rigidity, disequilibrium with frequent falls. There is frequent fall of a patient, disequilibrium, difficulty with voluntary eye movement. There is difficulty with voluntary eye movement. Other symptoms are frequently observed include nuchal dystonia, pseudobulbar palsy. There is nuchal dystonia and pseudobulbar palsy. They occur in the fifth and seventh decades, fifth to seventh decade of life, and there is progressive dementia. They are more common in the male, twice than female. The fetal period within 5 to 7 years of onset. This is the fetal period. 5 to 7 years is the fetal period. Fetal period. 5 to 7 years of onset. The pathologic hallmark of progressive supranuclear palsy is the presence of two containing inclusion in the neuron and glial cell. Two containing neuron and glia. Due to the causative mutation in the two genes have been identified only in a few cases. Risk factor for sporadic progressive supranuclear palsy have been identified in the study. In the morphology, there is morphology There is widespread neuronal loss in the globus pallidus, subthalamic nucleus, and substantia nigra in neuron as well as in the glia. There is widespread neuronal loss. In the morphology, there is widespread neuronal loss in the globus pallidus, subthalamic nucleus, and substantia nigra. And the other disease is called corticobasal degeneration. Corticobasal degeneration. In the corticobasal degeneration, there is extrapyramidal rigidity, asymmetric motor dysfunction, that is jerking movements, extrapyramidal rigidity and jerking movements, and impaired higher cortical function, typically in the frame of apraxia. Develop. In these conditions, apraxia also develop. The morphology of corticobasal degeneration, there is cortical atrophy. In the cortical atrophy, mainly the motor, promotor, and anterior parietal lobes are affected. Premotor and parietal lobes are affected. Parietal lobe are affected. There is severe loss of neuron, gliosis, and balloon neuron. There is balloon neuron. The balloon neuron, also called neuronal acromegalia. And the two immunoreactivity has been found in astrocytes. There is astrocytes dysfunction that are called tufted astrocytes. And oligodendrocytes are called call body. Oligodendrocyte malformation also occur that are called coiled bodies. Cluster of two positive processes around the astrocytes are also formed. Two positive are also formed that are called astrocytic plaques are formed. Two positive threads are formed in the gray and white matter, mostly in the gray and white matter. So this is the atypical Parkinson syndrome. There is bradykinesia, rigidity, reflex dysfunction of extrapyramidal. There is dopaminergic negrostriatal projection. There are two diseases in this atypical Parkinson syndrome. Number one is the progressive supranuclear palsy. In the progressive supranuclear palsy, there is truncal rigidity, frequent fall, difficulty in voluntary eye movement, nuchal dystonia, bulbar palsy, and they occur 5 to 7 decades. Male are twice affected than female. The 5 to 7 years after the onset, there is the fatal period. Two containing neuron and glia are present. In the morphology, there is widespread neuronal loss in the globus pallidus, substantia nigra, and subthalamic nucleus. Number second disease is called corticobasal degeneration. In the corticobasal degeneration, there is extrapyramidal rigidity, jerk in movements, and praxia. The morphology is cortical atrophy, motor, promotor, and partial lobe are affected. Cortical atrophy, motor, premotor, and parietal lobes are affected. Below neuron, there are neuronal acromegalia. Astrocytes are affected. They are called tufted astrocytes. Oligodendrocytes are affected. They are called coil bodies. Two positive are present in the gray and white matter.